So this is a tree, a big tree, and this is another big tree, which I like because it was so big. And this is the road that the tree is on, and this is the canopy, the leaves. Here's a big branch. Here's some little steps that I was walking up. I go, then I turn around and show the other way, and then I go up the little slope. These are the stairs. I'm walking to go to Woodingdean, and on my way I'm looking at all the green things. I'm walking into Falmer now. This is Falmer. That's a little pub, but I walked past it. I'm walking up a bridge. Well, not up a bridge, walking up a path. And now I'm going up to the bridge. I feel quite fascinated by all the cars, and I just want to stand and look over the edge, watch all the cars go past, but it's very loud. There's the village again. And they go so fast. But I like standing on bridges and looking at cars quite a lot. Let's look at it from the other side. Look at that view! And then let's carry on walking. Let's look at the cars one more time. Not that I like cars. Well, I do kind of like cars. Mostly I like walking. Now we're in the other side of Falmer. They cut Falmer in half in the early 2000s or late 90s, I can't remember, by putting the A27 right down the middle of them. This is the pond. You can't see the pond, but this bench faces the pond. Now we're walking up onto the downs. There's a little information thing for you here. Private, no public access. Now we're walking up. Look at all this hawthorn, all of the blossoms, and this is the view. Such a good day. It was very warm. Here's some close-ups of the hawthorn. You can see all the little white flowers. You can eat hawthorn, and I did. It was quite bitter. Now I'm walking up over the downs. There's lots of cars and traffic, but the views are so cool. Look, there's a light glinting. I didn't notice this when I recorded it, but I notice it now watching back. It looks so cool. It's like sparkling and shining. We are coming into Woodingdean. Yay! This is me now on the way back from Woodingdean. This is on like near a horse paddock, and I felt I was really hot and I needed to sit in the shade, so I just sat down here in the shade of this sycamore tree, and I wrote some things in my notebook about the shade, and then I saw the moon, and now I'm zooming into it because the zoom was kind of okay, but then I lost the moon and then I zoomed out. Bye bye moon. And here I am walking back, walking by the horse paddocks. It was at this point that I bumped into my friend Bella, and we continued to walk, and we actually walked back to Falmer, but not the way I'd come. We walked a different way in Isabella's shoes. And that's the end.